Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the November Ipsy bags. Now this don't specify exactly which bags these spoilers are going in, but I'm showing y'all the spoilers anyway, so it could be in any of all three bags. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my Boxy Lux December spoilers. Yep, there's more spoilers, y'all. Congratulations, BB Lunsford. BB says, too poor to buy, but yay. Well, BB, honey, you ain't the only one, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned to the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in. Now I've already got other spoilers up for the Ultimate, the regular, standard bag and everything. All that's linked below if you want to go see them. But these are just the spoilers that they were showing on their Instagram. And I had to look some of these up to see what they were. But I found them, y'all. So first, we already seen this one. This is the Wonder Beauty Wonder Rush palette. Now this is supposedly going into the Ultimate bag. Next, we have the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. And we also have the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. And then next, we have the Juice Beauty Stem Cell Serum. And then next up, now we do have a Murad item. This looks like the Murad Curl and Pore Control Mattifier, but now it might not be that exact product, y'all. And next, this palette right here, this blush palette, this is Seraphine Botanicals, the Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette. That's a really cute palette. I really do like that. Now next we see a Ciate London, the Dewy Sticks. And then next, we see a MAC Cosmetics item. Now it looks like the Prep and Prime Setting Spray to me. I mean, it could be something different, but that's what I looked up. And then next is the Verso Skin Care or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce nothing. Anyways, that's that little silver bottle with the number 4 on it. And I've been looking on their Instagram and everywhere else to try to find it. But on the bottle, it says Hydration Serum. And then, if you look at the number 4 product on their Instagram, it's called a Super Facial Serum. So, I don't know what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's a serum because it says it's a hydration serum. And then last but certainly not least is the Hola Neon. Now, this is a lipstick from Hola Neon. Now, I've never heard of them, but I think this is a real pretty color. A really nice rosy color. I really do like this. And that's all I can find, y'all. But, I could be incorrect about some of these, but I tried to blow up the pictures just to see what they said on them and everything. So, I think I got most of them right. But anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'm going to keep y'all updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Keanu Rain. Keanu says, love your videos. By the way, if I said that wrong, don't you come after me. I can't pronounce nothing. And I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Guys, remember, you got to leave a comment if you want that shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free. And it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, double check that. Make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss another video of mine. You'll catch every upload. Yeah. You'll catch every upload I upload. That's all you need. I mean, you'll know more than everybody on the internet. That's it, y'all. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.